If you're paying rent of 2,500 dirhams per month, kabayan in Dubai, we can consider to buy a property. I've been in Dubai for the last 11 years. From 2013 until date, nag-rent po ako ng property. Of course, since an OFW, wala naman po tayong option. Kailangan po natin mag-rent ng bahay para po meron po tayong matuluyan. So whether we like it or not, ang pagbabayad ng renta sa bahay ay kasama sa bills natin every month. It's just like 2 years ago, naging exposed ako sa Dubai real estate. I work in a real estate agency for 6 months, and then last year, I decided to start my own real estate agency. Those days na hindi ako exposed sa Dubai real estate, ang akala ko, ang property is para lang sa mayayaman at ibang lahi. Pero, posible pala tayong mga Pilipino na magkaroon ng property dito. Kung paano, you can watch my video. If you're earning 10,000 dirhams every month, you are eligible to apply for a home loan. Ang mga resident po ng UAE ay pinapayagan ng mga bangko na makapag-loan up to 80% ng property value. Imagine if you wanted to buy a property worth 500,000 dirhams, which is like a studio or one bedroom and other, it depends on the location, ang kailangan mo lang bayaran is 20% and the rest of 80% si bangko na ang magbabayad, and you can pay that over a period of time. Here's a quick view of the payment breakdown at kung paano tayo maaring mag-apply ng home loan. And here, let me guide you kung paano po ang estimate cost ng pagbili ng property dito sa Dubai. So, you can use the propertyfinder.ae, go to rent versus buy calculator para magkaroon po tayo ng idea ano ba yung difference kapag nag-rent tayo versus nag-buy tayo ng property. Let's say as a single or a couple, your annual rent is 50,000 dirhams. And you wanted to buy a property ng the same na studio or one bedroom. Let's say the purchase price is only 500,000 dirhams. Since we are a UAE resident or employed tayo dito sa Dubai, the bank can give us a maximum of 80% para makapag-loan, and the rest, which is 20%, is for a down payment. And the mortgage loan period is maximum of 25 years. And of course, aside from the property value, kailangan din po natin i-consider what are the other costs. So, kailangan po natin magbayad ng down payment na 20%, which is 100,000, and 2% agency fees, which is equivalent of 10,500, bank fees, which is